Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you an update on about 4 roses that are still blooming in my garden. Now we had a little bit of rain last night, so the roses are a bit wet, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. So when I looked out my window this morning, I noticed that the ground was wet, and I also noticed some flowers that are blooming in my garden. And one of them that kind of exploded overnight is the Queen of Sweden. As you could see over here, she's got some really nice bloom right there and there, and then I have a few more over here with some raindrops on it. Beautiful. Look at that. So I couldn't resist coming out here. I said, well, I'm going to go out there and videotape this beautiful flowers that are blooming today. Because once they stop blooming, I don't have any more to show you. Oh, there's one more over here that looks so dainty. Right there. And then the other one that I wanted to show you that is doing really well this year is the Pilgrim right here, next to Queen of Sweden. Look at this. This is just such a lovely, lovely roses. You can see all the raindrops over here. Beautiful. And then the other one that's kind of picking up more is Bathsheba, my climbing rose. Right here, look at these. Beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. And the other one that looks really good also is Wild Eve. Look at this right here. Such a huge flower. It's beautiful. So my roses has been blooming since about, I would say, end of April. And they picked up a lot during May, and they're still blooming, and it's already the second week. We're going into the second week of June. This is Sceptered Isle, and Sceptered Isle is still blooming really nicely. I thought I wouldn't have any more roses to show you, but the roses seem to be still blooming really nicely, which is good. This is the Onwick rose. Just beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous. So I wanted to show you my Bokeh Parfait, because Bokeh Parfait is peaked already. It has peaked, and so it's kind of going downhill for some of them. As you can see right here, some of the flowers are starting to turn brown. So I wanted to show you this bunches before they're gone. But this is done very well for me this year. And actually it did very well last year too. Look at this. With the rain on them, it's just gorgeous. Look at that. Beautiful. So the last rose that I wanted to show you is On The Floss. Now On The Floss, I've said before, is one of my late bloomer. And now it's picking up. Look at all these flowers on it. just beautiful. Look at this. Right here I have a few more behind this trellis. Gorgeous. And then over here I have a concentration of just beautiful flowers. Look at this. Beautiful. So I try to capture the moment as they are blooming, because every year, this past year, when there's no more flowers, I look back to see how the roses did. And I try to spend as much time as I could videotaping them so that when the winter comes, I can still enjoy looking at them. This is just so beautiful. So this is Mill on the Floss. Gorgeous. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at all these wet roses as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.